Okay, so this technique is called Picado, and it starts off with a planta, tacón, and then talón on the other side, but you have to make sure you bounce it, and then you repeat it. Planta, tacón, talón. So again, you want to make sure that you bounce it. You don't want to just hit it down and then bring the ball of the foot down, because you won't have anywhere to go with that planta. So again, you have para, pam, para, pam, para, pam, para, and bounce. So ball, heel, heel, ball, heel, heel, ball, heel, heel, ball, heel, heel. So planta, tacón, talón. Planta, tacón, talón. All right, and so the counts in 12, we can do all on the beat. So again, you either keep your hands on your hips, or if you're a lot more experienced, you can try playing palmas. So we have, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we have more the syncopated of taka, 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 taka. Okay, so that would be 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and then we have it all on the beat. So all three of those little steps, all on each beat. So we have 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so now let's do all three sequences together. Now, if you're more beginner and you can't do the other ones, that's fine. You just do what you can, making sure that you are controlling it, articulating the sound, good posture, and good foot placement. Remember that the planta comes from behind, and you're not lifting up the heel for that, okay? So we have 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and syncopated, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the beat, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Syncopated, 12, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, Ole.